Okay, so I was in the process of installing this accessory bar up here. It's got power in it. It's got a couple of USBs, placed to mount the Garmin, and the my arm for my phone here. And there were no instructions on how to remove this vent on a Sprinter. And so this is a Sprinter with a like 10.5 inch display, and there are no directions at all anywhere that says how to do this. The one guy kind of got it. He said, I've already got these loose, and he just kind of just pulled them out. Well, he had already pulled them out. Well, that wasn't very helpful, so I was like, how do I do this? So I started messing around with it and trying to figure things out. Now, you don't want to mess anything up. You don't want to make it look like junk, by scarring things and everything. And I eventually got the other one out, and it took me about 40 minutes. And then I said, well, there's got to be a better way. So as I was taking that other one out, and I got it out, I realized what I needed to do. So inside, and my flashlight's just barely on. Nah, it's not enough. Inside, on either side, way back in there, and one right over there, there are two little bitty holes. Well, I made this tool from an awl. You can see it's kind of got a duckbill on it, but the tool is angled to where it'll fit in that hole. And so effectively, you go in there, and I'm trying to do this almost blind because I don't want to put my head in the way, and my flashlight's dead. So let's see if we can find this in a timely manner. May have to try it again. Oh, there it is. All right. So I've got it in the hole. And there we go. That easy. What does that take? 6 seconds? Versus 40 minutes the other way. So there you go. Just a little quick video on how to remove, see, it's got these clips, an air vent from the Mercedes 2022 10.5 inch display. You notice it says top. Just line it in there straight and go pop, and you're done. Super simple. And so just a real quick showing you, this is the accessory mount that I put on here, so that I have a place to mount everything. It kind of cleans everything up. This one goes down here like this. Very nice holder for my phone. I did make my own little extender. That's kind of rough draft. I'm gonna make it in black matte later. Didn't have any black, only had 2 black 10/32 screws, so I had some aluminum ones, but I got some on the way. But anyway, so that's my video for the Sprinter van vent removal. Thanks.